Yo guys, what's going on? So today I am actually going to be doing a mod that is considered to be the very first mod that every Subaru owner actually does to their car. It's going to be hella horns. So yeah, I picked them up. Basically those horns inside there, you can't see them. They're old, rusty, they don't sound good. So I went ahead and picked these up, and it's going to bring out the front end just a little bit. So I guess you can see the little horn in there. It looks ugly though, so we're going to switch it up right away. So yeah, I ordered the Super Tones from Hella Horn and got the Grimskeed wiring harness. This definitely makes it a lot easier to install, so that's why I picked that up. And I picked up the parent bracket as well to make them sit nice and flush. You don't actually have to buy the wiring harness or the bracket. It is optional, but it definitely is going to make this install a lot easier, and it's going to give symmetry to the horns as well. You can place the horns in the factory locations, which sure, if you like that look, go for it, but I'm going to be making it look good in there. So, and then I guess I got some hardware as well, so I'm just going to figure out how to do this. Yeah, never done it before. I'm going to be learning as I go, so let's see how it goes. Woo, she's dirty. Alright, so go ahead and take the front grille off here. Bam, out of the way, just like that. So there's your stock horns right here, right there. So take a 12mm bolt right there, and under this bracket, take those off, and yeah, that should be the first step. Doing this on an 04.5, or I guess Bug Eye as well, because it's kind of close there. You have no room. If you want to use one of those universal joints to get inside there and have the ratchet out here instead of literally against the bumper, or take the bumper off, that'll be a lot easier. So we got that wiring harness there, this there. Yeah, so I believe this is the center bolt, so I'm going to be attaching the bracket to that, and hopefully this doesn't get in the way. I have no idea what that is. If anybody knows, let me know. Yeah, see if it fits. Alright, so obviously you want the parent logo up. If you have the Grimspeed one, that'll work as well. And as you can see, the bolt on the other side fits there as well. So it's actually a pretty accurate bracket. It's nicely made, powder coated, high quality, CNC'd, perfect. So, yeah, that definitely is gonna fit. So we'll take this bolt off and that bolt off, and we'll attach the hella horns onto this. These bolts, pretty sure you don't need them anymore. Horns, throw them away, whatever. So, Grimspeed wiring harness. I know this is gonna be the ground because you got your eyelet there, attach your bolt. This one, we'll see if we need it. I wanna see if the horns will actually fit to the stock harness. If that does work, that'll make this whole thing a lot easier. So, opening the box. Got your horns here. Looking nice. Set those out outside. Perfect, whatever, make it a mess. Yeah. Alright, so that looks like a 12mm. No, 13. Definitely be easier if you had a vise. That's for sure. Okay, so I managed to get it. It literally took a lot of effort. So, took a vice grip, put it onto this bracket, and then literally just took the breaker bar, cracked it. Now got the nut off. The reason why I'm taking these brackets off is because I don't need them. Because they're gonna fit right onto this parent bracket. So, no need for these. So I do not care about them. So So, vice grip, 90 degrees to the bracket. Get it on there. Kind of need to jolt it so it breaks loose. There, just like that. I don't know why they decided to impact these on and no one can get them off. I don't know. So, bracket. Let's throw them on there like that. And I'm very, what is it called, particular in my installs. So I'm gonna have these connections probably down, just to make the install look a little bit cleaner. Go. Oh, Jesus. Alright, perfect. There you go. So, connection here. Just gonna be looking like that. So, I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter which one you use on the hella horns. So we'll just plug them in there. Perfect. And then we'll attach that to the bolt that actually goes there for a nice clean install. So, let's go ahead and put this on the car. Alright, so before we actually take these out, I'm gonna do a sound comparison. Gonna do the stock horns, and then once we're done, I'll go back and forth between the hell horns and the stock ones so you guys can hear the difference. I'm just gonna test fit this bracket just to make sure it actually fits in there. Alright, so what I'm noticing, this tab right here is getting in the way, so I'm probably gonna have to take this, whatever that is, off. Alright, got my trusty hammer and we'll smack it out of the way like that. No problem. And now, again, this thing. Oh, look at that. Lines up perfectly. So, grab this little doohickey again. So what this is, I'm gonna guess it's the thermostat for the in-car temperature gauge. For the ambient temperature, that's what I'm guessing. So, if I'm wrong, whatever. Bolt. And sneak it in there. Hey, you got it. Ground wire, we're gonna actually put it behind. I don't know, you guys can't see, but fingers in the way. Yeah, we're gonna put it behind the actual bracket there for a nice clean install. Gotta make sure it's even on both sides. There we go. So basically one side is connected to the ground, one side is connected to the stock harness. It looks clean. Let's go check. Alright, let's go test it out. Woo! Okay, yeah, that's definitely louder and they sound pretty cool. So, there you go. Works with the stock harness. Perfect. Throw everything away. Grill. Perfect. Good. Down and yeah. Now it's a Subaru. There we go. Alright, so if you guys like this install, leave feedback if you want, like, comment, whatever, sure. Go ahead. And if you want to see more of this car, you can go ahead and subscribe. I'm wanting to get this car actually show ready. 600 real horsepower. I'm just basically doing it all around, making it look good and whatnot. So, yeah, that's basically it. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys later.